Hi you guys. I just want to tell you about my running journey that I started. I've been running now for about let's say 4 months, that I've been trying to get to run a bit longer. I've been running about 3 to 4 kilometers, but I have started to run 5 to 7 now, and so there's a, what do you call it, a race now in March that I want to attend, but I want to attend the 10K. So I'm training for that at the moment. I'm still going to do makeup videos and those kinds of things, but I want to take you on the journey where I train and gonna run the 10Ks and those kinds of things. So yeah, let's start the journey. Okay, julle, ek het nou begin. I've started now. I'm training now. I'm working on my Hawaii watch, and I'm using the, what do you call, their training eye that they gave on the watch health app. So yeah, I'm training that now. So wish me good luck. Twee kilo's julle. Kyk hoe. En ek het my 2 chauffeurs who's going with me. And with the running came a friend. It's raining and we're gonna get soaking wet. Go. Na a nice workout, we are here at the place. We're gonna eat dinner here, but I just want to show you how it looks like. It's so peaceful and quiet. Listen to the birds.
Hey.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to just get ready for church, and I'm going to show you the products that I'm using at the moment. So to start, I'm using this as my serum, and it's from Deborah Dorcas. It's anti-aging, and it's for scars, fine lines and wrinkles. So I usually just shake it a bit, and then I just put it on all over my face, and it does come like this, and then I just rub it, and then I put it all over my skin, just like that. And it smells nice. It smells like roses, not too much, but I do like the smell. And then after I use this, I use the also anti-aging. Looks like this, and it's anti-aging intense hydrating cream. And when you open it, it looks like this. I have been using it for a while now, and it makes my skin very soft, and the makeup does last nicely on it as well, because it's hydrating the skin very nicely. Alright, now I've put it on just all over. Then there's a new not a new foundation to me that I bought, that I'm trying at the moment. I've used it, I bought it yesterday, and I used, this is the second time I'm using it, but I think you guys all know about it by now. But it's the Essence foundation stick, and it looks like this. And then if you open it, and I'm using the color 120. So I just take this, and then I just put it all over my face, and then I use this brush to blend it, and I just put it on like that, and then I just blend. Let's keep that one. Right, and I'm going to use my Essence eyebrow pencil, and it is in the color dark chocolate brown. I just want to get this one just to brush up the hair. that. then I just fill in my brows. And so because colors in the hair, as you can see, nice and easy. Alright. Okay, then I use... Mama? Ja. Okay, hou maar net bietjie vas. Then I use my essence. Dunay and Papa, hou op! Then I use essence. Make me a brow, and it's in the color Brownie Brows. Which I put on just to make the things stay there. Because my hair usually just wants to fall flat. I don't know why. But yeah. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to use the essence. All About Matte Fixing Powder. Just to put the makeup in place. I just put it all over my face. This just makes the shine, take the shine a bit away, which is nice. Ta-da! All right. Next, we're going to do the. What am I going to do next? Oh, blush. So for blush, I use this. It's Hyundai Young Makeup Modern Colors blush and then the contour. So on this side, it's the contour colors, and then on this side, it's the blush colors. And when you open it up, ta-da! It looks like this. I've already used the bronzer, so now I'm just going to use that color. And then I'm just going to take it a bit up in the eye to make me awake. Wake. So you see, and it's a bit, then I have a bit color. Okay, then for eyeshadow, I'm not going to make it dramatic. I'm just going to put on a bit. This is Pretty Grunge SFR color, and the people who made it, I'm not sure. But yeah, it's a makeup palette that we buy here in South Africa. To start, I'm going to use this brush. And I'm going to take this color. I like this color a lot. And then I'm just going to put it in my crease. Blend it. And then this side. See, I'm just blending it out very softly. It's just gonna make it a bit of a color. That's all that I'm doing. Then next, I'm gonna take this color, that one, and I'm just gonna put it. I'm just gonna use another brush, flat one. This one, and then I'm just gonna pat it there. Yeah, you see. All over the lid, just underneath that color that I put down now. You see? And this is a quick makeup look you can do. And then there's the eyes. Then I'm going to take a flatter one, this one. Alright, now this is the eye look. Then I take off my hair, just fix this, and this is the look for church. I think it's very nice. It's very soft. It's not like in your face. So yeah, I think it's a nice.
Ja.